Hey guys, Rich from RDVFL here, and we're going to talk today a little bit about our new GM screen for the 2019 to 2023 Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras. This works with the 1500 and 2500 model vehicles. It works with the 7 or 8 inch screen systems, and it also works whether it has the standard audio system or it has the BOSE audio system. So wanted to talk a little bit about not only the compatibility, but some of the features and some of the benefits, and go over some of the really nice options that this radio has and offers as an upgrade to these vehicles. So first thing is compatibility. This will work with the 7 and 8 inch screen systems. It will work with the 1500 and 2500 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierras. It'll work with the Denali version as long as it has the 7 inch or 8 inch screen, which all of them have from 19 to 23. It will work. So essentially it's compatible with every 2019 to 2023 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. It will also work whether it has BOSE or not. That's a big question that we get is, will it work if it has BOSE? Yes, it does work with the BOSE system. It also works with the non-BOSE system. The radio, in this case, is just a screen upgrade. So this upgrades the screen and the climate controls, and the factory radio actually stays intact. So we do replace the screen that's in there, but the actual radio itself, which is behind the scenes in the dashboard, stays. And you are able to use all of the factory radio features through the screen upgrade. So it's really, really nice in that aspect because you retain all of the factory radio features, and this ensures that one screen is compatible with all of the vehicles, whether it has BOSE or not, whether it's the 7 or 8 inch screen from the factory. Our screen upgrade will work with all of these different trim levels and all of these different model vehicles. So it makes compatibility very simple. Additionally, because you retain the factory radio, all of the factory features stay. AM, FM, satellite radio if it's equipped. The factory cameras stay working. You can access the factory cameras anytime. The zoom features on the cameras work. All of the factory features stay intact. You can use the factory radio through the new screen, which is a really, really cool feature. So you don't have to worry about losing any of the factory radio features at all. Everything stays. All your factory radio features stay. You can use all of them through this massive 15.6 inch screen. It's super high def, super high resolution, 1920p. So you have all of these amazing features packed into this screen, and you can still utilize all of your OEM features. So really, really nice on the compatibility side. We'll talk about the features a little bit now. Like I had just mentioned, it's 1920p. It's super high resolution. It's a 15.6 inch HD screen, and it is packed with features and things that you can do through it. You can video stream any video streaming app you want through it. YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, Sling. You can access all of these apps right at your fingertips, right through this massive HD screen. You can give it a hotspot from the vehicle if the vehicle has a built-in hotspot. Like I said before, all the factory features stay intact. That includes the factory hotspot if it has it. So you can use that hotspot to connect to the new screen, and that'll allow you to stream all of the video streaming options you want right through it. Additionally, you can put a SIM card in it if you want, so this way you don't have to rely on a hotspot. You could just put a SIM card in it, and it always has internet connection through the SIM card. Makes it really, really seamless, and this will allow you to stream any video content you want at the screen at any time. So really, really cool. Screen does a ton of other stuff. Allows you to access all of your AC controls through it. There's also analog buttons that allow you to access the AC controls and control all of your climate control features through not only analog hard buttons, but also digitally through the touch screen that you can access anytime. It has a 3-year warranty. and it's really, really a nice product. So definitely want to check it out on the website, rdvfl.com. And please feel free to reach out anytime via email, phone call, or through the website.